We shall continue our discussion on 0-1 knapsack problem. Having seen optimal substructure property and overlapping subproblem, we shall now trace 0-1 knapsack for this example, and I will show you how to construct the table in a bottom-up fashion. What would be the size of this table, and is the DP solution running in polynomial time? So these questions we shall address now. So what is that we want? Ultimate thing is we want opt of, there are 4 objects and max capacity of the bag is 5. So this is what we want. And if you use this recursive subproblem formula, it is max of opt of object 4 is not used, so it is 3, 5, or you may use 4 and get a profit of P4 plus opt of, you will have to work with the first 3 objects. If you include the 4th object, then weight will be 5 minus 2, which is 3. And so between these two, whichever is giving max, that would be updated. Now we have to compute opt of 3, 5, opt of 3, 3. In turn, that would depend on some other subproblem and so on. So what we will do is, we are going to construct a table and populate that table in a bottom-up fashion. So the idea is this is on W side and this is our X. So X1, X2, X3 and X4. The values for weights are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Base values, we say this one is 0 and this one is 0. So these values are 0, which means opt of, and when we work with 4, we will get a subproblem 3. When we work with 3, we will get a subproblem 2. Similarly, when we work with 1, we will get a subproblem 0. So when this is 0, and W could be anything, it could be 1, 2 and so on, that value is 0, that's one base case. Another one is W is getting updated. Initially it is 5 and later it becomes 3, it may become 1, subsequently it may become 0. Irrespective of X, and W becomes 0, then also it is 0. W is 0, it is 0. So now what we will do is, we will start populating like this, and ultimately we want to return this. That's precisely opt of 4, 5. You see that opt of 4, 5 depends on opt of 3, 5 and opt of 3, 3. So it depends on opt of 3, 3 and opt of 3, 5. So with the help of these two, we can compute this. Subsequently, this may depend on other subproblems. So what we will do is, we will populate in a bottom-up fashion, so that once we have these values, we can compute this. Once we have this, we can compute this. So when we come over here, whatever subproblem we look for, we will have solution for all of them. That would be a constant lookup in this table. So that's precisely the idea. So to start with, let's look at opt of 1, 1. So this one, opt of 1, 1 says max of. So opt of 1, 1 is max of 2 subproblems. But we also have this check, right? If weight of W1 is more than this local W, then we will not use this. Instead, we will say opt of 1, 1 is same as opt of I minus 1 comma w, which is 0 comma 1. And what is the weight of first object? It is 3, and which is more than local weight. So this is what we have. What is opt of 0 comma 1? So 0 comma 1 is 0. So this one is 0. Let's look at opt of say 2 comma 1, which means we are going to work with first two objects and local weight is 1. We get to see that x1 cannot be considered because its weight is 3, but one can consider this, and which means we get a profit of 10. Intuitively that is the picture. So formally you can employ this formula that says max of do not include second object, which means you will work with 1 comma 1, or include second object and get a profit of 10, plus opt of having included this 1, weight will be subtracted. So this is what we have. Now these two we need not compute again. It has been already computed and it is available in the table. Just make use of that constant lookup. Opt of 1 comma 1 is 0, and opt of 1 comma 0 is 0. So which means we get a profit of 10 out of this. So opt of 2 comma 1 is 10. Fine. So next we look at opt of 3 comma 1, and first three objects. With first three objects with local capacity being 1, if you include just this, we get a profit of 20. If you include this, we get a profit of 10. So max is 20, so we consider including this. So we get max of opt of 2 comma 1, or include third object, get a profit of 20, and work with the subproblem 2 comma 0. We know 2 comma 1 just now we have calculated. So the value of 2 comma 1 is 10, and this value is 0. So max profit is 20, and update this to 20. Next we have opt of 4 comma 1. Again with first 4 objects, what profit can you get? And we see that this will be still maximum. And you see that W4 is greater than this W. W4 is 2, which is greater than 1, which means opt of 4 comma 1 is same as opt of 3 comma 1. And we know that that profit is 20, so this one is also 20. Fine. So like that one can populate other entries. Next, look at opt of 1 comma 2. Opt of 1 comma 2 is this entry. What it says is work with the first object and local capacity being, local weight being 2. But we know that W1 is more than 2, which means opt of 1 comma 2 is same as opt of 0 comma 2. And opt of 0 comma 2 is 0, which means opt of 1 comma 2 is also 0. Fine. So next look at opt of 2 comma 2. First two objects and local capacity being this, we can include x2. So we see that this one is max of opt of exclude this or include second object, get a profit of 10, and work with the subproblem 1 comma 1. And we know that 1 comma 1 is 0, so which means from this we get a profit of 10, and that would be our entry here. So first two objects and local capacity is W, which means only this can be included and get a profit of 10. Next, look at opt of 3 comma 2, which is a max of opt of do not include this, okay, or include third object, get a profit of 20 and work with 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 1 is 10. So what this says is 2 comma 2 is also 10, and what this says is if you work with first three objects, local capacity being 2, then we can consider including these two and get a profit of 30. And so we see that this one is 30, so we get a profit of 30 over here. Next we look at opt of 4 comma 2, which says this one is 2, local capacity is also 2, so one can consider. So max of opt of, do not consider fourth object, so look at this, consider the fourth object, include them, and if you include them it becomes 3 comma 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 comma 0 is 0, which means we get a profit of 50. So this is what we get here. So what this says is work with first 4 objects and local capacity being 2. If you simply include x4, then we get a profit of 50. If you include these two, we get a profit of 30. So this one is maximum, which is why this entry is 50. So we next populate this third column. So it is opt of 1 comma 3. Now we can consider this object. So opt of, so it would be max of two quantities, max of opt of, do not consider the first one, and you get 0 comma 3, or include this one, get a profit of 30 plus opt of 0 comma 0. So we include the first object and work with the subproblem 0 comma 3 minus 3, and we see that we get a profit of 30 out of this, and so this one is 30. Next we look at opt of 2 comma 3, and this would be max of opt of 1 comma 3, or include the second object which is 10, and whose profit is 10, then work with the subproblem 1 comma 2. 1 and 3 minus 1, its weight, which is this, and opt of 1 comma 2 is 0, so this one is 0, so we get 10 from this. Opt of 1 comma 3 is 30, just now we have computed, so max is 30. So please note, when we refer this subproblem, overlapping subproblem, this problem comes again, so we don't compute this again, instead we simply go here and refer the value, so this one is updated to 30. Next we look at opt of 3 comma 3, which is max of opt of 2 comma 3, consider including third object, get a profit of 20, then work with the subproblem 2 comma, this will be updated to 3 minus 1, which is 2 comma 2, and 2 comma 2 is 10, so this value is 10, we get a profit of 30 here, and opt of 2 comma 3 is 30, so max is 30, this one is updated to 30. Next we look at opt of 4 comma 3, and first 4 objects, local capacity being this, so this is same as exclude fourth and work with 3 comma 3, include the fourth object, get a profit of 50, and work with the subproblem 3 comma 3 minus 2, so which is 3 comma 1, and 3 comma 1 is this, so 3 comma 1 is 20, and opt of 3 comma 3 just now we have computed, this is 30, so we get 70 out of this. This entry is 70. So what this says is, work with first 4 objects with local capacity being 3, which means I can include these two and get profit of 70, or you can include 4th and 2nd, but then the profit is only 60, so max is 70, so we work with this. Or you can simply take 1, but we know that that profit is only 30, because these things are already computed, so when we come over here it is just a constant lookup. Opt of 3 comma 1 is optimum solution considering first 3 objects with local capacity being 1. This we have already computed. Just look at the table, plug in, and in constant time you can return the answer. We next consider the 4th column. We look at 1 comma 4. So this one is max of opt of, exclude this, so work with 0 comma 4, or include the first object, earn a profit of 30, plus opt of 0 comma 1. 0 comma 4 is 0 and 0 comma 1 is 0, so we get a profit of 30 out of this, so this entry is 30. Then we have opt of 2 comma 4. First 2 objects, local capacity is 4, which means I can include both and get a profit of 40. So this one is max of opt of exclude 2, which means work with 1 comma 4, or include 2 and work with opt of 1 comma 3. And opt of 1 comma 3 is 30, so this one is 30, so this value is 40. Then we work with opt of 3 comma 4. This one will be max of opt of 2 comma 4, include third object, get a profit of 20, and work with 2 comma 3. And 2 comma 3 we know it is 30, so which means we get a profit of 50. It says first 3 objects and local capacity being 4. So which means I can pick x1 and x3 and get a profit of 50. That's really what this is. Then we have opt of 4 comma 4, which is max of opt of 3 comma 4, just now we have computed, or include 4th object, get a profit of 50, and work with 3 comma 2, because 4 minus 2, and opt of 3 comma 2 is 30, so which means this one is 80. So what it says is, work with first 4, and the capacity of the local capacity is 4, which means one can pick these 3 and get a profit of 80. That's what this says. If you include these 2 or this and this, then the profit is smaller, and because those values are taken care of before, we can simply look at its subproblem from this table and update the entry. Fine. So then the last column is opt of 1 comma 5, and it says max of opt of, and we don't consider this, we don't consider the first object, or consider the first object, get a profit of 30, and work with the opt of 0 comma 2. We know that this is 0, so we get 30 over here. So this value is 30. Then we work with opt of 2 comma 5, which is max of opt of 1 comma 5, do not consider this, or consider second object, get a profit of 10 and work with the subproblem 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 minus 1. And 1 comma 4 we know it is 30, so 30 plus 10 which is 40. So what it says is first two objects, local capacity is 5, so we get a profit of this. Then we look at opt of 3 comma 5, which is max of opt of 2 comma 5 comma consider third object and work with opt of 2 comma 4. And opt of 2 comma 4 is 40 and this one is this, so we get 60 from this. So what it says is first three objects and local capacity is 5, which means I can include all of them and get a profit of 60. Correct? Now that we have all of them, you can just substitute here and get. So opt of 3 comma 5 is 60. So this value is 60 and this value is 50 and opt of 3 comma 3 is 30. So which means this one is 80, this value is 80. So what it says is include this and work with 3 comma 3 subproblem. First three objects, local capacity being this, we know that that profit would be 30, so we get 80. If you exclude fourth object and work with this subproblem, we only get 60, so max profit is 80. So for this case study, we see that 01 knapsack returns 80 and whichever quantity was helping us to get maximum, if you backtrack, that would help us to get the set of objects as well. For example, this says include x4, so we include this. Then we work with the subproblem 3 comma 3 and that says you include this, so you either return x1 x4 or you can also return this, right, or return x2 x3 x4. So along with this, if you also maintain between these two which one was giving minimum, so which one was giving maximum, that would help us to construct the solution as well. For this, max was coming from the second parameter, which means include x4. So like that we can get the solution from 3 comma 3 as well. So we either get this or this as far as this example is